Hello and welcome to day 72 of Bedtime Welsh. A little bit of practice today based around the things you were doing yesterday, so I hope this one won't be quite so tough as the one a couple of days ago. So let's get going. First of all, I have heard or I've heard is...
Dwi wedi clywed.
Dwi wedi clywed. How about I've heard something?
Dwi wedi clywed rhywbeth.
Dwi wedi clywed rhywbeth. Okay, I've heard something else. Can you remember that else? I've heard something else.
Dwi wedi clywed rhywbeth arall.
Dwi wedi clywed rhywbeth arall. Okay, how about I've heard something else tonight.
Dwi wedi clywed rhywbeth arall heno.
Dwi wedi clywed rhywbeth arall heno. And the last one for today, I've heard something interesting.
Dwi wedi clywed rhywbeth diddorol.
Dwi wedi clywed rhywbeth diddorol. I have just heard something interesting. Was that your stomach grumbling? You want supper? Oh, I think there might be some supper wanting going on here. Well, that's all for tonight, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.